Hi, this is Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies.
Today we are going to press our sublimation coaster right after this. And we're back. So today we are going to press our new sandstone sublimation coaster. It's a car coaster that has a little notch for taking in and out of your car. These can be used as wedding gifts in your car, any type of gift around. So we're going to get started here. So what we have done is we have printed off of our Sawgrass printer. We have ganged up our images. So today we only will be pressing one, but just to show you can gang up images when you use the VPM software. We're going to cut out our design, and then Mary's going to take you through the process.
Okay, we're going to remove it from the little protective envelope and then position it on here. And you're going to do the shiny side. The back side is going to have a little bit of roughage. And then I'm going to use the thermal tape to tape it on. And then we're going to be pressing at 365 degrees for 120 seconds with about medium pressure. I will put down a piece of silicone just to protect it. And then we're going to put it image side up, a second piece of silicone, and then our hard surface rubber mat.
Okay, we're almost ready to unveil. And there we go. So we do have templates and instructions online at coastalbusiness.com. And as always, thank you for watching our video tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe.